solitude, that's my pedigree. On my own path, I'ma make history. Lone wolf attitude, thou can't tame me. I wander hither, thither, through the midnight. No need for a pack, I trust my might. I roam the open plains where the wild things be. My lone wolf spirit is the heart you'll see. Make my own beat, my groove I will brew. Unleash raw talent, no need for a crew. I paint my destiny with colors undefined. Lone wolf attitude, it's freedom unrefined. I'm a lone wolf running, wild and free. Embracing solitude, that's my pedigree. On my own path, I'ma make history. I howl at the moon as my battle war cry. Against all odds I soar in the sky. I conquer the challenges with strength from within. Lone wolf bronze set is where I begin. I navigate the labyrinth with fearless delight. I hate validation, my purpose shines bright. I'm a lone tough wolf forging my legacy. A force from within, my game now shall see. I'm a lone wolf running, wild and free. Embracing solitude, that's my pedigree. On my own path, I'ma make history. Lone wolf attitude, thou can't save me. Hey. Remember my name, Treble is in your town. Defying all odds, I will not drown. Lone wolf attitude, rise above the stress. A legacy of greatness, forever I'll be blessed.